Hey guys, how are you? If you are new on my YouTube channel Technical Faheem, then please subscribe my channel and share it with your friends. So basically in this video I'm going to tell you that how we buy headphones from Aliexpress. So let's start our video. First of all, you have to install the Aliexpress application on your mobile phone. After that, you have to open the Aliexpress application and search here in the search box. Here I'm writing here head here basically headphones. So here after writing you have to search for headphones here. So here different samples are came in front of you. Here basically different samples are available. So I am clicking on this one, this blue color headphones. So here basically high definition mirror, large screen digital display, intelligent fingerprint touch control, can charge the mobile phone, 1000 UN and 90 sound effect, can be used as a mobile phone bracket. So here's your basically choice, welcome deal, free shipping, your exclusive price. So here's another sample, you can see it. Here is another one. Music is enhanced, clear and bright, loud and clear, beautiful and natural. The sense of force is enhanced, surging and energetic. Good to listen. Can listen to nice be worth hearing 100 times. Ultimate configuration upgraded 15 loudspeaker, large diaphragm, sound quality, zero loss, dual audio decoding, full configuration. So here's it. Basically fingerprint touch of my ears, binaural fingerprint touch control, listen to you whenever you want. Say goodbye to the pain of traditional pressing. Adopt intelligent fingerprint touch, design high sensitivity sensing and accurate identify instruction with a touch. Everything is under your control. You should answer, hang up, one touch, last song, three touch or shutter down, standby, long press for 5 seconds, summon Siri, long press for 3 seconds, next song, 3 touch L, and here's play and pause, one touch left and right. So here's headset file, product model V9 BT5.2, headset communication distance 10 meter, charging time about 2 hours, standby time headset 240 hours, music calling time 3 to 5 hours, headset capacity 550 mAh left and right, weight of charging case about 80 gram, and headset size 16 into 18 into 35 charging case size 75 into 42 into 27 So here's it. Basically general function, music play, pause, call prompt, binaural call, intelligent noise reduction. So here's it. Basically small, very light, very comfortable, very small and light, very comfortable and enjoyable, ergonomic design, comfortable to wear, small and light, sticking to the ears, is more intimate, as if there is nothing. Here's it. Long lasting life, to charge their phone, enduring battery life, can charge the mobile phone. The current electricity 75%. And here is the seller recommendation. So basically if you talk about the price of this one, then you see it PKR 1501 rupees. But after if you talk about original price is 6270 rupees. But after 76% off, you can buy it only in PKR 1501 rupees. Price shown before tax, free shipping, V9 Bluetooth headphones, mirror, wireless stereo headset 5.3 with digital display, touch control, sports earbuds for gaming. Here's it. 4.5 stars is given and more than 10,000 is already sold. So basically here's it. If we talk about color, then you see it only black color is available. So basically if we talk about specifications, then you see it material PVC, ABS, plastic category, earphones and headphones, active noise cancellation yes, volume control yes, control button yes, vocalism principle, dynamic, wireless type, Bluetooth communication wireless, style in ear, certification CE, origin mainland China, brand name YP. So here's it. Delivery free shipping, our PKR 2842 rupees, estimated delivery 17 days to Pakistan, service 75 day buyer production. So here's it. 2541 reviews is given, out of which 239 is sound quality is good, 46 is sound is very good, 40 is product is good, and 32 is works well. So here's it. Very good product in relation to the price. It has good sound and the headphones are quite ergonomic. The headset is very beautiful. It has great workmanship and good quality. I recommend. Headset, the product came into my hands. I did not have connection problems. Charging goes for at least 4 hours. The sound quality can choose with. Here you get the earphone is well received. The sound is good. Thank the seller for this for the product. I recommend the seller. So basically, if you have to buy this headphone, then you see at the buy now option at the bottom of the screen. You have to click on this buy now option for buying this headphone. Thanks for